What's one design element every kitchen model should have?
Spice drawer insert.
Oh, I like those.
Yeah.
I got one.
And only because the alternative is a disaster. Like so many of my previous homes, it's, there's really never a good spot. So whether you choose to do it in a base cabinet with a pull-out or in a drawer, whichever suits your needs best, certainly incorporate that. And it's at a relatively low cost, especially the drawer insert. They're like $30 on Amazon. They're very inexpensive, but it makes a huge difference.